Happy New Year to everyone! We are the AMZing team, and we're thrilled to welcome you to the new year of 2024. Today is a special day, a time to share our gratitude for the past year and our exciting ambitions for the year ahead. We are here to celebrate together the promising beginnings of 2024.
For those of you starting out on Amazon, know that you are now part of a dynamic and supportive community. Your journey is unique, but you are not alone. We are here to help you navigate this exciting world, providing practical advice and proven strategies. Your success is our goal, and each milestone you achieve is a victory for all of us.
Our heartfelt thanks go out to you, our devoted subscribers. Your active support has been the cornerstone of our growth in 2023, and every interaction has strengthened our community. Your success stories, the challenges you've overcome, and your continual progress have been a source of inspiration not only for us, but also for everyone looking to succeed on Amazon. It's your journey that brings our mission to life.
Our commitment in 2024 remains unshakable, to continue providing you with both enriching and educational videos. The fact that some YouTubers lacking inspiration copy our content is clear evidence of the quality of our videos and their impact. We are pioneers, innovators, bringing fresh ideas and original approaches that inspire the Amazon seller community. Our promise is to keep offering you the best, always pushing the boundaries of innovation and creativity further.
In conclusion, we wish you a year full of success, opportunities, and personal and professional growth in 2024. Whether you are a veteran or a newcomer to the world of Amazon sales, we are here to support and guide you. Together, let's make this year a major turning point in your Amazon journey.
The year 2024 promises to be rich in content and discoveries. We will explore new market strategies, advanced selling techniques, and share exclusive interviews with industry leaders. Our goal is to provide you with a deep understanding of Amazon's dynamics, giving you the tools to excel and stand out.
Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. This was the AMZing team, by your side for a year full of success and innovation. See you very soon for new discoveries.